Today we're launching Bird Life Jungle Disco, a large-scale wall painting by Studio A. Bird Life Jungle Disco is full of life and colour, and the Studio A artists wanted the students to live, work and socialise amongst it. There's so much beautiful detail in this work. You can see the artist's hand, you can notice drips, scratches and marks that they've made. It's a very personal public artwork for the students.
Wow! It's me, owls! Yay! This is one of my birds. Difficult to draw. I'm good in the colours of my birds, and this is one of my favourites. My mum and my two sisters are part of me. They love my art, and they love my birds, and I'm proud of myself.
Up here, there's our building here, my own. My name is Ferguson. I'll do it back in the building. I'll show the audience, I'm going to see a beautiful building. It's my dream.
The design of Bird Life Jungle Disco intends to encourage socialisation in the food court space. The birds are diverse, different, just like the people here at UTS. The birds are chattering, they're having fun, they're dancing. The towers are alive because this is a space of respite from study at UTS. This is a space of that very important socialisation, which is a part of Studio A and a part of the cultural life at UTS.